This is the darkest paint in the world that you can buy. I'm gonna see if I can use it to make my phone disappear. So I've specifically picked a phone that has a removable back because it's gonna make painting a whole lot easier. Plus, this is such a brightly colored back that the difference is gonna be really cool to see. Oh. Now, just to give you some sort of idea, normal white paint can absorb about 20% of visible light. Normal black paint, or something like the back of this phone, can absorb about 94% of visible light. This Musso black paint can absorb up to 99.4%. I've really lathered this thing up. Oh God. If this works, we'll have made the darkest smartphone in the world. Dry time. And I'm hoping that using hot air like this is also going to iron out the brush strokes and make it completely smooth. Wait, this thing is so dark, I can't even see where the case ends and the paper begins. So, let's do the reveal. This is a black phone. This is the darkest phone ever. This little gadget is designed to cure your smartphone addiction by bricking it. So you download the Brick app, you open it, and then what this is a 3D printed cube that doesn't need a battery. It has a magnet on the back so I can stick it on my fridge, and then an NFC chip on the inside that when I tap it against my phone, works with the Brick app to lock down your phone's functionality. So let's say that I am addicted to scrolling Instagram. And so right now I am unbricked, which means that if I want to open up Instagram, I can do it fine. So we set Instagram as one of our no-go apps, tap the brick, it says my phone is now bricked. And now you can see that all the apps I labeled as distractions are grayed out. And if I try and open one of them, like Instagram, you cannot use Instagram because it is restricted. This is very clever. It even blocks the URL in Safari until the next time that I come back to this brick and unbrick myself. Just please don't brick yourself and then lose the thing. The Huawei Watch 5 does three things that are kind of wild. Its body is made of titanium, its screen is made of sapphire, which means it can take some pretty severe punishment. It has complete gesture control. So for example, let's say someone calls me. I can slide like this to change what I'm selecting, and then when I double tap with my fingers, I can either answer or decline. And it can only do that because as well as a motion sensor, it also has an optical sensor at the bottom that is literally looking for changes in muscle activity. Pretty much every smartwatch takes its readings from the top of your wrist, because that's convenient. But it isn't the most accurate because you have thicker skin here, and for most people, hair. So this also lets you hold your fingertip on this side sensor for multi-sensing X-Tap, which can give you readings with many times the accuracy.